Do a walk around of the boat we just talked about. 300 Yamaha, swim ladder, trim tabs. Boat has been on a lift. Underside of the hardtop. This boat does have the full windshield. It's a combo cover. I'll take that off when I go inside. Valve. The other side. Hull looks good. I'd put a coat of wax on her. No real scratches. Well, there's no scratches. Other side, underside of the hardtop. Rod holders. I'm going to go inside, take the covers off, and take some more pictures. All right, I crawled up in the boat, walked through the door, fresh water, livewell, ski tow, fish box, seat in the back, tackle center, bolster seat, electronics, the Go 9 Simrad, the CL7, the ICOM, Fusion stereo, trim tabs, tilt wheel knob, and the head. Oh, all the cushions. All right, I can take them out and put them on. All the cushions. Front walk through. Condition wise, a little crack here. But other than that, condition wise, everything is very good. I'll take the cushions out and do another one. All right, I took the cushions out. There's the head, some life jackets. There's the combing, the cushions. Oh, about weather gear. Coolers. Cup holders. One more picture of the boat. Hopefully this helps. Call me with any questions. Thank you.